Now see the use of the article. Here refer to something already mentioned earlier. When refer to something already mentioned earlier. For example, a doctor and a nurse were standing beside his bed. A doctor, okay, the article phrase used here. A doctor and a nurse. Used here. A doctor. Anyone? A doctor and a nurse were standing beside his bed. Standing beside his bed. The doctor was Vipul Rani. Here, where the patient is lied on that bed, that hospital doctor, that is the doctor was Vipul Rani, because the is used for the name, particular name. That's why used the doctor was Vipul Rani, where the patient was lying in that bed. The doctor on duty was Vipul Rani. Here also uses the word article the, because what? The particular person, for the particular person we use mentioned earlier. When refer to something already mentioned, is already mentioned here. And after that, again when we refer for that one references, we use the doctor. That particular doctor on duty was Vipul Rani. Let us see other examples. Before a superlative and ordinal number. Before a superlative and ordinal number. Let us see the example. Vipul Rani. Same name. Vipul Rani is the best doctor in the town. We are discussing about a particular doctor, a particular name, that is Vipul Rani. Only a one man, that is one. We are discussing about particular, that's why Vipul Rani is the best. Here we use the because we are mentioning for only that name and according to that in the town. Mentioning about that one town. That's why we use superlative ordinal number. Let us see second example. He lives in the third house on the left. Who he? That is Vipul Rani. He lives in the third house. Mentioning about the third house. Only the third house, not fourth or second. That third house, mentioning that part. That is all house on the left. That is use of before superlative ordinal number. Number is there, third or fourth or whatever. Let us see. Next one. Before of phrase. Phrase is there of we use of ordinary. Mumbai University. We cannot say Mumbai University. We say that the University of Mumbai. Of. We say that the University of Mumbai, not say University of Mumbai, not, or Mumbai University, no, it is a wrong one. Or the second one, Indian history. We cannot say Indian history, we have to say that the history of India. The history of India. That is the before of phrase we use here for the. Next one, for unique thing, unique, not ordinal. Unique thing. For example, the earth, unique, that is unique one. The sky, unique one. The equator, the stars, these are the unique things. The Taj Mahal, the whatever the unique things are in the world, whatever we are saying, the moon, the earth, the sun, that is called for that. Before that, we use the. Now see, for the unique items or things or events, unique items, unique things, unique events, we use that one. Here, 5 examples are there for institutions. The United Nations institutions, universities, whatever have institutions. The United Nations, we have to say the United Nations. We use here unique one. Items, things or events. Historical events, any events, unique events for that one. For example, in history we have said that the French Revolution, that is unique event. Unique event is that the French Revolution. Then the Elizabethan age, in history we have said that one. Elizabethan age, that is also a unique event. Public bodies, for example, the army, the police, etc. These are public bodies. We said that. Ships we know, the big ships. That unique one or that things, remember the unique one, that is what? The Titanic. The Titanic, we have seen that movie about, or we heard about the movie, the Titanic, or the Queen Elizabeth, the big ship. For the ship, we use there the unique one. Then species, the dinosaur, The dinosaur only one is that one. That was why we use species than dinosaur. The reptiles. Then the sixth one, see, in time expressions. The beginning. In the story we start. In the beginning there was a king, whatever, the beginning, then the middle, the end. We use the beginning, the middle, and the end. The last one is in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night, whatever. We start with the time expression. In the beginning, in the middle, in the end, in the morning, in the afternoon, and all the while, at the moment, in the end. First one is that when we use all the while, at the moment, in the end. So guys, we have learned about the use of a and or the a and the articles in that one. In next one we will see some articles are zero articles where we cannot use a and the. Let us see if first are omitted from that one. That is omission of article. Let us see about that omission of articles when we use that one. Okay. The first one, for general statement we omitted that a and or the articles. For example, for general statement, schools have vacations. During Diwali. We cannot say the school, a school, or during the Diwali. We cannot say. That's one general statement. We omitted that articles. Another example. See, apples contain a lot of vitamins. Here, an apple we cannot say. We don't use that one. It is the omission of articles. Another one for general statement. Let us see the second one. Before proper material or and abstract noun. Before proper material and abstract noun, we omitted that article. The example: Dinesh is a good boy. Proper noun is there. Dinesh. We omitted the Dinesh. In last sentence we have said the doctor for Vipul Rane. But here we did not use for proper material or abstract noun. Let us see another example. We cannot live without water. We cannot live without the water. Here the is omitted from that sentence. So here are two examples. Let us see other examples. Before months, seasons and holidays, we omitted that articles. Mondays are always busy. Here Mondays. We omitted here a and or the articles. We generally use that before months and seasons, holidays. We cannot do not use the articles. Mondays are always busy. May is very hot in India. Here before that noun, month, season or holidays, we omitted articles. The last one, before noun such as school, hospital, bed, church, class, college, market, prison, work, etc. Before that such nouns we omitted a and the articles. Let us see the examples here. He is in bed. Which bed? That means he is in bed, he slept. Okay, we use that one for before noun. Children went to school. For study. Children went to school for study. Where noun, before noun, that he, the bed, school, prison, hospital. It is also noun, but here we have to say before noun such as bed, school, prison, hospital. Here given the examples. We cannot use the a and the articles. That means we omitted that one. He is in bed. Children went to school. He was sent to prison. He was admitted to hospital. Such type of examples are given here, where the a and the articles are omitted. So here students, we have learned about the use of articles. The articles are three: a, and the, and also some articles are omitted. We have learned about this one. I think you have learned sincerely and carefully. Thank you very much for watching this, and here.